Alright you guys, so it's raining and stuff. We're gonna walk through the junkyard. It's actually the first Grand Cherokee I just kind of stumbled upon. That's why I started the camera, but it's gonna be 2002. Looks like Laredo. Cloth seats and everything. Now supposedly there is going to be a Grand Cherokee that has the rocker panels, the rock sliders. Oh, it's another limit. There's more than they had online for sure, but I saw online they said they had it. It's another limited. This the Overland one. This should be it. That is it. Let's see what happened to the other side. They're a little rusty, but they don't look bad. This would be it. I believe this is the Overland one. It is. So these are the ones I found. I think I'm gonna take them off, guys. Oh shoot. That's where they got the car held up. Shoot. Alrighty. Yeah, this one's been picked apart already quite a bit. Alright guys, we're gonna have to see if we can yeah, we're gonna have to check this one out because this one might be already rotted and stuff. It might be not worth it. So I'm gonna take the bag off, take a look, and show you guys where we're at. Alright guys, two things about this Jeep. One, it is the Overland. Yes, it does have them. Now there's two problems. One, when they jacked them up, they put them on these wheels, so I'd have to jack it up. And two, this one looks pretty good. There's only like a little bit of rust and stuff. A little bit of rust, a little bit of rust. Now, when we get to the other side, especially because of how much work I'd have to put to, I have to jack it up and all that other stuff. So that rust spot, that, and then all underneath here is all kind of getting rotted out and stuff. So, I mean, that's bent and everything. So, they're not in that greatest condition. I am going to ask them how much they do charge for the side panels and stuff, but it probably wasn't going to be worth it. Now, with that one having so much rust on the side, I just don't think it's worth it and stuff. I can wait and find, you know, a better set or whatever. Believe it or not, guys, if you are in the area, rotors don't look half bad and stuff. Like, this Jeep was decent condition. It might have been lifted at one point. I mean, brand new isolators up here. That's actually, these are in good condition. Mine are not. Looked like it kind of just sat after it had something fall in the hood or whatever, but it is a 4.7 V8. Might have been the HO actually. Let me see if I can get up here. I'd have to get higher up, but 4.7. Yeah, I can't tell, but maybe you guys can read it. Price of 4.7. I have to look up those numbers and stuff, but yeah, there's actually quite a bit here today. I do also need a new isolator pulley, I believe, or tension pulley. So this one's not bad. I'm gonna look around for a couple of them and see, but yeah, I might need to be pulling one of those because my car's still squinting when I accelerate and stuff, and that is the problem. Not 100%. And there is also the 04 one over here, but I saw a bunch of other ones, but this one also does have the V8 in it. This one looks to be in decent condition. I was gonna look around, but yeah guys, I'll walk around afterwards to show you guys, but kind of sucks getting all rained and everything and all cold for not getting exactly what I was looking for, but that's all right. You know, that's part of the, I guess, the fun of coming out. But those would have been perfect. It's just that one's, it's too rusted and stuff. Plus I gotta jack up the car and everything, and it's like by the time I'll do that, I'm gonna get a rusted piece of metal that I paid for. So alright you guys, so I'm gonna show you guys, if you ever come to the West Palm one, there's the entrance. You guys just take a right and go this way. It's where all the Grand Cherokees are gonna pop up. I will tell you guys, the rock sliders, like the rocker panels, they charge 40 something a piece. So like 42 a piece. So you're around 80 to 100 bucks, probably 80 to 90 I'd say, but I mean, you're right around 100 bucks on them, which still, you find them all non-rusty. Yeah, I mean guys, it's reasonable. Yeah, definitely had a rusty one. No. I do eventually want to get a new seat. My driver one is going pretty badly, so definitely want to get a new leather seat eventually. With the powered one, like mine is on the limited, it is going to be like 45 bucks or something like that. So then probably gonna try to fix mine, but that's with the leather and everything. If you get cloth, it's a little bit cheaper. So here's where this is a Laredo 2002. Again today guys, today is the 19th to 20th. Of course that door's locked, but I think this has a straight 6, I'm guessing. Oh, this is a V8, damn. Ooh, and that one looks in pretty good condition. We might come back to this guys and pull that one That pulley don't look too bad. They were charging $23 on the pulley. New, they're, I mean, close to like 80 bucks, some of them. So I might try Junkyard one for 20 something bucks. Worst comes to worst, I learned my lesson, but I've done halfway decent a couple times, so yeah. Probably should have put this on my head. I just didn't want to get that all wet, and also it's in my car now. But actually, I'm gonna go back, guys. We're gonna walk up and down. But yeah, sorry about the rain, guys. It is coming down, but also, guys, become a member with them, especially if you're doing this one. Become a member. You entries are $2, but actually I got 2 free entries. You get like a bunch of days to return it. It's like 30+ days to return your stuff. Here is the washer fluid. I do eventually want to get one of these. This one's all cracked, that sucks, off the ZJ, because I think I might eventually do the Thor intake, guys, and replace it over this, so I have this spot pretty much open on WJ. I'll show you guys that on my Jeep in the back, maybe. It's not today, it's pouring, so. Oh, we got an extra up here. So, hey guys, want to walk through it and stuff. Probably cut around or whatever, we'll see. Maybe leave it alone. Damn, it's actually, it's rotted the SHIT, but damn, otherwise, not too shabby. Yeah, why is it like, it gets intact, but it's just like, destroyed to no other. Yeah. Nice looking extra right there. Do a quick walk around. It's in decent condition, so. Yeah. Here's one of the Laredos. Again, tow hooks are already gone. But like, if you guys need the front part here, like it's, I don't know what engine was in this one. It looks like a 4.7, but who knows? You can never tell nowadays. But yeah, looks like someone took that one apart. But again, guys, you guys need parts and stuff. There's no reason not to come to these places. Like, they always got good. I'm surprised they didn't take the gauges out of it. I would have done it just to have the matching miles. Unless he was working on it and stuff, and you just need some parts out of it. You never know. Struts sometimes can be good. I don't feel like opening that one with one hand. What the hell? This is a straight 6. Someone tried to get the radiator, it looked like. Took apart a lot of things on this, but you know. Yeah, this is the stupid thing that's always in the way for my washer fluid, so I still have the one stuck down there. That's fine for now. I haven't done anything crazy with the bumper and stuff, but and here's that here's one I wanted to take from, but they got a cool little tip on it and stuff, but ow. I should be looking for a muffler, but I'm probably just gonna buy one new when I eventually do it. Ow. This rain is not comfortable. It's flipping cold. I'm not enjoying it at all. The Florida in me is coming out. So, yeah, someone already took out the radiator. Maybe they just decided to. It looks like a decent radiator, I just don't need it right now. Luckily. Yeah, nice clutch fan and everything. How did this pulley look in this one? That one's got a little rust on it. I'm gonna be picky about it, guys, realistically, because I don't need it today. Yeah, those are gonna look nice once I find them. I'll get them eventually, guys. Let's move this tire over so we get a little step. Yeah, it's not terrible, but it's not great either. So, yeah, someone took the air inbox, it looks like. Alrighty, let's keep going. Yeah, one thing I was gonna say to you guys, be careful you have the straight 6 or the V8. There is a different either pulley. This is the one for the straight 6. Hopefully I get to it today. You guys will see the one for the 4.7. I'm probably gonna pull that one I saw. It looks pretty decent. For 20 something bucks, if it does suck, I can just return it. Or if I'm not happy with it, I can just return it and then go buy the new one. So that's one thing I mentioned. I forgot, maybe I didn't mention, but why I like them so much is that if something doesn't work, you return it. As long as it's obviously for it. If you cut it up and do all that stuff, no, they're not gonna take it back. So they mark it and stuff, and they'll know to take back that one part. So alright, you guys, so I'm gonna try to pull the one from this Jeep here. I'm gonna take the idler pulley and stuff. They said it was like $23, but again, I can return it and then get a credit back if I really need to. And again, I walked in for free, so I'm gonna pull it, probably install it to my Jeep another day, because today it is raining like crazy and I got other stuff to do. But don't want to leave empty-handed. That one looks pretty decent, so I'm gonna pull it out, see what it looks like, and go from there. Yeah. Alrighty guys, so found this. Actually, it was when I went to get the rock slide one, these pieces of metal sitting there, jammed them in there, and it's all set and ready to go now. So we are going to be pulling that out. So gotta disconnect a lot of stuff here, gotta get the belt off obviously, and then should just be a couple bolts, so get into that. Alright you guys, so you get your 15 mil socket out, and then you're gonna do this. We're gonna take the serpentine off belt first, so I'll kind of take it off, and then you guys should know how to do that. Alright you guys, so again, you pretty much go onto that one pulley to the left you see right there. I'll point at it, and then I slipped it off right here at the top, and then that serpentine belt will come off. Now I'm going to take it off pretty much all the way, and I'll put it to the side so in case someone needs it. This one's kind of worn anyway, so let me put that aside and then I'll show you guys where we're at. Alright guys, got the belt most off the way. I'm looking at it, it looks pretty good. This one, I'm checking it, it looks decent. I'm going to pull out and see what it looks like, and then this one is actually really nice and smooth. So alright guys, so I'm a little bit dumb. I don't think that bolt needs to come out at all, but it looked like it was partially out, so I did. It should just be that one single bolt in the middle, and this should come out. Now I'm gonna look and see, that should be another 15 mil, and then I'm gonna loosen that out and I'll pull it out and I'll let you guys know. Okay. Alright you guys, definitely need to bring some shorter extensions, but we got it out. I'm gonna take it. It looks pretty good guys. So it's this really long bolt is the one you gotta take out. I think it looks pretty good. Again, I can always return it if it's not. I'll clean it up and stuff, but that looks nice and this looks nice. So it's just that one bolt in the middle and that's it. So pretty simple. Just again, that one right down there, but it was very tight and I had to use a swivel as my extension. Now, this poor swivel is like beat on, but and then I put this part on the end of that so I can get more leverage, and then finally got it over the hook. So yeah, gonna take it guys. That's all I'm gonna take today. Again, we're not gonna take the rock slides or rot it out, so I'll show you guys. Alright guys, so we're back with my Jeep, of course. So there's mine down there. It's a little bit rusty, I guess. I don't know. It looks like it was making noise and stuff, so I'm gonna try to replace it. Again, it's just that one 13mm bolt. I'll try to prop it up a little better now that I'm home. And yeah, we're gonna go from there and try to figure out if that was the problem all along. That'd be really nice to know. So I'll catch you guys when I set it all up. Alrighty guys, first you're gonna need a 15mm, and then you gotta do that on the belt tensioner. Okay, now that we got the belt loose, next is going to be that 15 mil, or 13 mil, sorry. The next one's gonna be a 13 mil. I'm just gonna try to use a deep socket. Again, when you guys saw me at the junkyard, you saw me struggle. Hopefully mine is not as bad. Of course it is. Alrighty guys, this is definitely overkill, but I want an excuse to use one of my newer Christmas gifts, so I'm going to use my 1/2-inch Icon breaker bar to get this undone. Make sure it's seated in there nicely. And there you go. Broken loose like nothing. So, finally got to use it. I'll show you guys in a minute what it looks like. Let me just take this off. Alright you guys, so this is the old one. Again, it is still a little bit hot, so put it down actually. This is the old one here. A little rusty, nothing bad honestly. So I'm hoping it's the problem. Does it look like it? Maybe, maybe not. So I'm gonna clean up the new one a little bit, just get some of the stuff off, and then yeah, gonna be installing that and show you guys how to do it. Alright you guys, here's a little comparison of the two. Again, this is the new one, right from the junkyard. I just wiped it down real quick, and then that's my old one up here. So this one is beat on pretty much, but this one looking a little better. I will say the seal looks a little worn out and stuff, but again, there's a lot of dirt on there. This one, just we'll see if it's any better. So catch you guys when I install it, and I'll test it out and let you guys know. And guys, we're putting the belt back on. My sticker fell off, but here you guys go. If same thing happened to you, this is how it goes on. And yeah, so I'm gonna line that up, and then I'm probably gonna leave that one up there off, and then as I tighten it or loosen it, I can put the belt back on. Alright you guys, moment of truth. Alright you guys, so it's been a couple weeks now. I actually just did the computer reset and everything on it. But yeah, this morning right before posting, I just wanted to show you guys the idler pulley. It's running really well and stuff. I think I still have the old one, but I got rid of it. But yeah, definitely fixed it. Don't hear the squeal as much anymore. I did swap over. I had a second belt, so I swapped back over to that belt. I don't know why, but now I got no squealing, so maybe that was the issue. I did also replace the power steering pump, so could have been a couple different things. But if you guys are having a problem with your idler pulley, this is how you do it on the 4.7 V8, and I'll show you guys right now. So she's running good now. And yeah, that's pretty much it guys for the video. Let me know if you guys have any questions in the comments down below, and I'll catch you next time.